Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nambardar TV. Today we're discussing the concept of Sadiq and Amin and its importance in leadership. Joining me is Analyst Naveed Ahmed.
Sadiq means truthful and honest, while Amin means trustworthy and reliable. These qualities are essential for leaders to build trust with their people.
How do these qualities impact leadership?
Leaders who embody Sadiq and Amin build strong relationships, make informed decisions, and ensure accountability. Examples and case studies. Today, we'll look at some leaders who truly embodied the qualities of Sadiq and Amin. These leaders faced many challenges, yet their commitment to honesty and trustworthiness led to remarkable successes.
My journey was filled with obstacles, but maintaining integrity was non-negotiable. It wasn't always easy, but the trust I built with my people was invaluable.
I always believed that leading with honesty would pave the way for a better future. Even when faced with difficult decisions, staying true to Sadiq and Amin has been my guiding principle.
In a developing country, the challenges are numerous, but by being trustworthy, I've been able to inspire and mobilize my community towards positive change. As a young leader, I've learned that honesty isn't just about telling the truth. It's about being transparent and accountable in all actions.
These leaders show us that while the path of Sadiq and Amin is challenging, it is also immensely rewarding.
We're going to talk about the hurdles leaders face when trying to implement Sadiq and Amin and how they can overcome these obstacles.
Yes, Nadia. One of the biggest challenges is the pressure to conform to less ethical practices, especially in competitive environments.
Absolutely, Naveed. Another challenge is the fear of losing support or facing backlash when making tough, honest decisions.
Indeed, but leaders can cultivate these qualities by setting clear ethical standards and leading by example.
And it's crucial for leaders to create a culture of transparency and accountability within their organizations.
Providing regular training and support can also help leaders and their teams stay committed to these values.
In the end, it's about fostering an environment where honesty and trustworthiness are not just encouraged but expected. Thank you, Naveed Ahmed, for shedding light on the importance of Sadiq and Amin in leadership. We hope our viewers will join us next time on Nambardar TV.